Pensacola Bay, targeting sheephead, probably the last time for this season. So I'm gonna try to get some for the cooler, of course. I'm out here with the Sartugan squad. It's me, Kyle 4 Wild right behind me, or Kyle 4 Wild, but take media, and we're out here about to slay some black drum and sheepshead. So stay tuned.
There's a sheep's head down there, I promise you, and he is hungry. He's starving.
Starving. Oh, check out these matching rods though.
Oh, Shimano Terramare. Woo! Those are some good looking rods, man. I'll tell you what.
What size is yours?
Mine's a 7.6, I believe.
Mine's 6'6". I figured this would be good, perfect for sheephead.
Yeah, I got this one primarily for offshore fishing, but it's such
Fish
a...
off!
Oh, fish off, fish off, fish off, folks! Fish off, fish off! Let's go! Oh, yeah.
Get that net, boy, get that net.
I'll get it for you. Get him, boy! Nice!
Sheephead. Yeah, it's sheep.
Good one. Oh, fish
He's
off,
decent.
fish off. Bring on. Oh, yeah. Sheep's head.
First fish of the day, guys.
First fish of the day.
Meat cooler.
Come on over here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Appreciate the net job, bro.
Nice fish, Tugan. Saltugan. That's what I'm talking about, bro.
Nice.
Beautiful fish. They're here, boys.
Yeah, he's lit up too. Look how lit up he is.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I just saw something flash, too, bro. Wow.
Bro, hook just fell out too. Yeah, hey, open that up for me, man, if you don't mind.
First fish of the day. Saltugan squad is in the meat. It's about 15, 16 inches.
Yeah, not too bad.
Hey, I'll take him. Did you put on bite?
Yeah, oh yeah. With that 15-pound super slick, man, you can fit everything. I love that super
Wait,
slick.
what do you got? How much?
15. You might need to get over here, boy. Now you can horse him. Turn that head.
Oh, dude. Oh, my God.
Ah!
Y'all are witnessing firsthand the bloodshed.
You getting him, man. You getting him. Oh, you got him. Then you get over there?
That's a big one, too, boy.
I'm coming.
Woo!
I'm coming, brother. I'm coming. I'm here. I'm here.
Oh, yeah. That's another big one. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. You want to be able to get some really good underwater shots in this one?
Nice one. Oh, ho, ho, ho. We popped your leader.
Damn. No.
It's all good, brother.
Did you get it?
Come with the net, net.
Nice fish. Yeah, it's a nice sheepy, dude. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a stud.
Yeah.
You gotta tighten that. I'm telling you, as soon as they get up here,
That's.
oh, how good is he?
He's decent.
He's a solid one.
Nice.
Yeah, dude, the bite's starting to.
Appreciate it, man. No. Got another nice sheephead, guys.
Hey, show everybody your fish, man.
I will. Bro, look at that smile, though. Hey, Kyle, you ready?
Oh,
Hey, Caleb.
Nice. Nice, brother.
Always ice down your fish. And I'm not sponsored by McDonald's, by the way. My boy Kyle's on. I'm making it.
Jack, hey, are you on that side still?
What's up, boy?
Go on the other side. Go on the other side. I'm gonna hand you my pole underneath there.
Shit. All right. Yeah, come on.
Here, grab it. Keep tension. Keep tension. Keep tension.
I got him. All right, guys. This is teamwork.
Teamwork, baby. Gosh, you might have just been able to land him now. Bro, tighten it up now. Tighten it up now. Come on, bro. Here. Hold on.
Make that cross. Hey, watch out for my pole. Woo. Nice, man. Let him run now.
He's running out. Right.
Hey, good teamwork. Sawtooth teamwork.
Sawtooth teamwork, baby. That's a big one too, dude. I'm not kidding. Just be careful. As soon as he gets right here, he's gonna go straight to pile.
Hey, fix that. Fix the rope. Fix the rope.
Fix what rope? When do y'all get that net ready?
I'm right here. Yeah, keep him this way.
He's going really good.
Hey, you're high sticking. Get down and put that thing in the water and turn his head. Ah.
Oh my God, no. Just stop.
You gotta go out the horse now.
Pull him out, he's turning.
Is that the vibration on the pylon?
Yeah.
Yeah, you about, oh, that's not good. You get him, thumb that spool a little bit.
I can't, bro, like literally it's a big fish.
Ah, there it goes.
Oh, no, he did not get off.
Good.
Goddamn Jurassic Park down there, dude.
All right, don't go in there. About to let this fish by myself, guys. Let's see what the pros do it. Watch our pros do it, baby. Huh? Sheepshead, baby, it's dinner. Look at that. Only a smile mother can love. You on? Alright guys, we're back, we hooked up again. Alright guys, I got my boy Kyle.
Here. I got you, bro.
I got
Kyle's hooked up, folks. He's got a stun.
I'm crossing the plate, guys. This is
what we came out.
Let me know if you need to come over here.
Right there. Go ahead and tighten it. Go on that side. Go on that side.
Alright, he's gonna pass it right underneath. This is
Here. You got it?
Hey, I'm gonna go on the other side just in case. Hey, do I need to go?
Is this recording?
Yeah. Oh, let me see. Yeah, recording.
Okay. Oh! Tighten it up now. Have to tire it down.
Yeah. Hey, he's thumbing it. Caleb, net man, you're net man. You got him, boy, you got him. Way to play him, way to thumb that spool. You got a player. You got your big ugly right here.
No. Pull him up.
Let's see it. Getting close, yeah.
Oh!
Watch your phone.
I got it.
Oh, he's huge! Dude!
Oh!
Woo! Dog. Hey, more.
Get him, Remora.
Watch your phone.
Oh my gosh, folks.
Fucking finger. Whose phone is this?
That's Caleb's, bro. Dude, that is a gosh. Oh my god. Hey. It's alright. Remora just won the water, folks.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Awesome.
What a fish. Dude, that's a big one too. Oh my gosh. Hey, go get your measuring board real quick, man. He was right. Yes, sir. He is a stud. Dude.
Copper Wildest landed this massive drum.
No, he's
39.
He's 39. 39-inch black drum.
Okay.
Right there. Wow.
Hey man, say something to the camera. How was it?
Put up a heck of a fight. I'm not using that heavy of a rod, so it's a really good fight. Trying to pull him in with a medium light action rod, but I got it. He's been biting my bait for the last 20 minutes, and I finally horsed him in. And this is a big girl right here.
That's
absolutely here. Let me hold it up for you.
Absolute. I can't get him in the camera. He's so big.
He is.
He's not even log arming either, guys. He's massive.
Go get my iPhone.
We're gonna be letting this fish go here.
Here he goes. Filming. There she goes, guys. Big mama black drum. Slid back down to the bottom.
All right, guys. Bite is picking up. We got 5 sheephead in the cooler. Multiple drum hookups. I'm on. I'm on. Drum. Get the net. Come here.
Get him, boy. Hey, bro, I would walk. Actually, no, I would. I would stay here. That's your last resort if he starts walking over there or swimming over there. Get him, son.
Yeah,
that might be a big sheep's head. I don't know. He's popping like a sheep's head.
Yeah. If it is, he's huge.
I think that's a black drum.
Yeah, it's true. Sheephead ain't running like that.
Huh?
Sheephead ain't running like that.
Big old ugly right there.
Put that constant pressure on these guys around structure. Always remember that. As I'm thumbing the spool.
Kyle, come here real quick. Big. Maybe a little bit small.
Oh, he's eating size.
All right, folks. He's eating size. What you got there? Big old drum? Josh didn't it's perfect eating size.
Oh, yeah, man. If they're under 30 inches, yeah, he's going.
That's a nice one. He's probably like 28.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
All right, guys. And this, I'm going to make a video of how to clean black drum. Stay tuned for that.
Oh, yeah.
Nice, guys.
Perfect eating size, dude.
Appreciate it. Hey,
what you got, man?
Hooked up with the drum, guys. Right in the mouth, quarter of the mouth.
Oh, that's perfect eating size, dude.
Yep. Check out this drum, guys. Beautiful fish right here, guys. I'm gonna give him a measure of him. If he's not over 30, I'm gonna put him in the cooler, and I'm gonna show you guys how to clean this bad boy. Stay tuned for that video, guys. Sawtooth Squad.
Sawtooth Squad, baby.
We're gonna end it. Is that board over there?
Yeah. It actually might be over there in the honey.
The walk of death. Appreciate it. Fish guts.
Oh.
You guys think I should keep them?
That's a good eat song.
It's a lot of meat though. I'll probably give it away if I do. If it ain't over 30, I'm keeping them. Let's go ahead and measure this guy up. If he's over 30, I'm gonna let him go. "28 inches. 28-inch black drum. I'm gonna go ahead and put him in the cooler.
Hold on, hold up. You keeping him?
Yeah.
Hold on. I'm gonna get some shots of my iPhone.
All right. Yeah, I'm on the drum. Drum.
No, it's not. Is that a big one?
Yeah.
Dude, that is.
My drag is pretty tight. Is my camera on? Look in here.
Yes. Oh, this. Yeah, that's on. Bro, that is a. Bro, that is a heavy fish. On!
Hey, he's coming up. He's coming up. Oh. It might be a good size for another catch cook for you guys. Guys, on another black drum. Yeah, the monster, but it's definitely over the slot. Oh no, no, go that way. Bring him up, bring him up, bring him up. Gotta thumb the spool in this situation, guys. You don't want him in the pylon and keep that head turned.
Got it?
Yeah. Right there.
A bigger one. Oh, Jack! Oh, he just went right in that. Oh, shit. Get him. He's big in his fucking life. Look at him. Oh, shit.
It's all good.
Damn.
Sheephead. Net.
It is not a sheep. Other one was on mine. All right, boys. Jack. Got a little sheep's
Meat mash.
Meat mash.
I went down to that 12-pound fluorocarbon. Look at that mouth, man. Mouth only a mother can love.
Nice fish.
Got that West Virginia mouth, road tie boat, and he pretty much swallowed that hook.
Ready?
I'm gonna need some pliers. Shoot. Hey. Oh.
His stomach coming out.
That's his ass. His ass. Are you? Yeah. All right, well, I'm good. I'm right here.
Got it? All right.
What's going on, YouTube?
What's going on?
What's going on, YouTube? Out here with the Sartuka squad, the OGs. I got Kyle for a while, Kayak Media, and we just slayed the sheephead for the last day of the season. I caught 4 sheephead, 1 black drum. This man right here, this is PB black drum.
I caught my PB black drum. He was easily over 40 pounds, my biggest one ever. It was a monster.
It was massive.
I caught 2 sheepshead. I got broke off by 2 black drum, but last night I landed a black drum on a dock demon, so it's all good.
Stay tuned for that video. Epic footage, guys.
Crazy.
But make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to all of our channels, and leave a comment below if you want a Sartuka sticker. All right, guys, tight lines.